the Baran dance with bless these sounds under the city, and Sara Woodmansee. Restart. Baran Dance is a contemporary dance company who seeks to make dance more inspiring and accessible to the Charlotte area. We move to move you. Bless These Sounds Under the City are a duo writing original eclectic music. They are currently working on their first album. Sara Woodmansee is a landscape photographer with a passion for documentary filmmaking. Out the corner of my eye, I didn't see all these people gathering around me. I was like, are they about to jump me? Did I do something wrong? Okay, so y'all give it up for Baran Dance with Bless These Sounds Under the City and Sara Woodmansee.
We go down alone until we find some new hope. It will listen to your story, it won't tell you how to turn your page, just whispers your warning and your golden age. I've been lying here awake for a while. While it's sleepwalking over your head, and you stop insides flooding out of their mouths, while there's a desert under your breath.